Hi, you guys. Speaking is Ciniso. I will be helping you guys with your maths and physical sciences, grade 12 specifically. I will try to do my best to also cover up grade 11 work, but most preferably, I would like to just focus on grade 12 content. So, should you have any questions or any problems that you would like to forward, please make sure you put your questions in the channel, and you can send me an email. I will attach it to this video. And yeah, all the best, Matrix of 2021. I really hope that you guys will excel and achieve all your dreams, and I'm here to help you guys should you need anything. Maybe you need any face-to-face teachings, you can always send me an email. We'll make arrangements. Thank you for your time. Stay blessed.